Now we are going to learn les articles partitifs, that is the partitive articles. We have already learned the definite articles. Do you remember what are the definite articles? They were la, L apostrophe and le. These are all used to denote a definite quantity. So it all means the. It is used to denote a definite quantity. Now, when we want to indicate an indefinite quantity, indeterminate amount. So in those cases, for example, you want to say some, a few, then you have to use these partitive articles. So shall we see what are the partitive articles? We just have to add the in front of the definite articles. Now, when we add the with la, it becomes due. So, la is the definite article. To make it into a partitive article, we have to add the. Now, when we add the with la, we get due. So, in the definite article, we would say le café. For the partitive article, we would use du café. Du café. Some coffee. So, the plus le gives due. So, that is the first partitive article. The next one is the plus la. This would give you the la. There is no change. The plus la gives you the la. An example for this is de la glace. It means ice cream. So, de la glace. So, first, the plus la gives due. The second rule, the plus la gives the la. And the third one, what was the third article? It was L apostrophe. Now, when the is added with L apostrophe, again there is no change. An example for this is water. The low. The low. Some water. So it is very simple. You just have 4 partitive articles. And finally, you must have guessed the plus le gives you they. So the plus le gives you they. An example is anything that is in the plural form. You know, we use le before nouns that are in the plural form. So let us say des fruits. Some fruits. Des fruits. So finally, let us summarize what are the 4 partitive articles. Du, de la, the L apostrophe and they. So these are the 4 partitive articles. So what is the difference between a partitive article and a definite article? A definite article is used to indicate a definite quantity. For a partitive article, it is used to indicate an indefinite quantity. These all mean some or few. So, when it is in the masculine form and you have to fill in a partitive article, you would use du. When it is in the masculine singular form. If it is in the feminine singular form, then you will fill the blank with the la. And if it is in the masculine or in the feminine singular form, and begins with a vowel or a H mute, you would use the L apostrophe. And finally, if your noun is in the plural form, you would use they. So these are the 4 partitive articles. So how did we get due? The plus la gave us due, and the plus la gave us the la. De plus L apostrophe gave you the L apostrophe, and de plus les gave you they. So I hope you are thorough with this. We shall now do an exercise.